Unit 2, page 36. Part 2. Access to information from spoken texts.
Instructions. You are about to hear the passage, How to Make Children Like Healthy Food. The passage will be broadcast twice. Before the first broadcast, read questions 9 to 13. It is best to start answering the questions after the first broadcast of the passage.
How to make children like healthy food.
Parents want their children to be healthy. The problem is that most children don't like healthy food and prefer junk food like hamburgers, chips, and ketchup. When their parents try to explain to them that healthy food will make them stronger, the children usually don't listen and refuse to eat healthy food like vegetables and fruit because they think it doesn't taste good. So, in one school, parents and teachers have tried to deal with the problem in a creative way to make the children like healthy food. They have a garden where the children grow different kinds of vegetables, such as carrots, tomatoes, and cucumbers. The children learn to grow the vegetables and to use them when they prepare their own food. At noon, the children pick the vegetables, take them to the kitchen, wash them, and prepare a nice, big, and colorful salad for lunch. Then they sit together in the dining room and enjoy the food they have grown and prepared. This way, they find out that vegetables are tasty. Everyone is happy. The children are proud of themselves, they learn how to cut and mix vegetables by themselves, and they enjoy the activity. The parents are happy too, because their children eat healthy food and learn to like vegetables. And the teachers feel that gardening and preparing the salad are not just fun activities. They are also educational, because the children learn a lot from them. For example, they learn to take care of the plants and water them. This teaches the children responsibility. They also learn which vegetables grow in summer and which in winter. There are many other advantages to these activities. The children learn to love nature. They also work together and learn how to share and help each other. At the same time, they move their bodies and enjoy the physical activity while working in the garden or in the kitchen. This shows that all parents can make their children like healthy food if they find creative ways to do so.
Questions.
Answer questions 9 to 13 according to the broadcast. In question 11, follow the instructions. In all the other questions, circle the number of the correct answer. How to make children like healthy food. 9. Children don't like to eat vegetables because 1. They don't like this junk food. 2. They believe vegetables don't taste good. 3. They think vegetables are not healthy. 10. In the garden, the children learn to grow vegetables. 2. Prepare their food. 3. Sit together to eat. 11. Put a tick by the 2 correct answers. What do the children do in the kitchen? 1. They grow carrots and tomatoes. 2. They pick the vegetables. 3. They wash the vegetables. 4. They prepare a colorful salad. 5. They eat the food they have prepared. 12. The children are proud of themselves because 1. They learn to love vegetables and healthy food. 2. They learn how to share and help each other. 3. They learn to cut and mix vegetables by themselves. 13. One of the advantages of working in the garden and in the kitchen is that 1. Children eat fresh fruit. 2. Children breathe fresh air. 3. Children do some physical activity.